when I walked in the club. Everything changed when I walked in the club. He was looking at me like, wow, you were on my body, I drip and I drop. So he says, I heard you're a singer. I live in a penthouse, it's on the east side. I can tell what he implied. I don't trust my decisions I make after midnight. That's like gatekeep, call his new bitch mainstream. Toxic, hypnotic, grab a couple balls from his wallet. His photos naked, little bitch think it's gold plated. Joyride in his new Mercedes. You still want me to have your baby?